Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to unbox my brand new Honor 7A. So here's the packaging and this is the box. And so without further ado, let's get started. As you can see in the video, the sticker still in the seal, didn't cut it yet. So here's the box, and also the phone can't wait to meet me for the first time. And also I am really excited for this, my first Honor phone ever in my home. Yeah, so let's unbox. Oh yeah, it's a full set, original, 2GB of RAM, 16GB of storage, gold color, and the original price is, wow, 319. And this is the new set, it's not a used or second hand or what, refurbished and so on. This is the new set, Malaysian set. It's the original, of course. Yeah, so here's the phone. Wow, quite nice. Wow, let me check. Oh, it's a single camera for the Malaysian unit, but most of the country got the 2 camera, 13+2. But another one is just for the blur background. And yeah, fingerprint got. Wow, very nice. For the here, it's a, and this is a serial number. What is this? Oh, it's a what we call that, SIM pin. Yeah. What else? It's a, we have a user manual book, and my model is AUML29. Huawei warranty card, but the seller says since this phone already been 4 years since when first launched, and there's no more warranty, 1-year warranty or this phone warranty anymore, because already been 4 years. Yeah, I got a case, original clear case. Wow, it's a plastic, not a rubber. Not bad for the free gift. What else? We have a power adapter. Maybe it's a 5 or 10 watt. Let me check it. Maybe it's a 10 watt. And last but not least, we have a original Honor cable. Yeah, everything is original. Alright, so here's the phone. Original, of course, like I mentioned just now. Now let's turn on this phone. First time boot up. Oh, maybe there's no battery. I need to charge it. Let me try to charge. Now the phone is in charging mode. So for now it just show like this because the battery is really empty. Yeah, because already been 4 years never been turned on, and this is the first time ever turned on after 4 years. So I hope the after this will be normal back. Yeah. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new Honor 7A review and unboxing in 2022 in the comment below, and so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.